Okay, people, I'm at the job site today at Castle Pines, Colorado. Very beautiful neighborhood. Rich people lives here. Look at that house, isn't it? $40,000 job for 2 weeks.